The e-learning world is, of course, large and diverse, but it can also be broken down into two main categories: corporate training and education. Certainly, both types of learning share lots of similarities, but the type of materials designed in each of the categories are quite different. In addition, the types and length of the courses and modules often differ as well. In a corporate setting, the learning environment involves onboarding training on everything an employee needs to know about the company and about getting learning information about how to best execute their roles. It's also important to consider the ages and schedules of those who use e-learning in a corporate setting. Unlike the majority of learners in education, professionals are likely to have more serious obligations outside of work. With that in mind, courses at the corporate level are often shorter or use microlearning or bite-sized learning. Within the educational field, e-learning either replaces traditional instructional methods or it integrates with it. It helps to present subjects of all kinds in education. E-learning in education provides, collects, and scores homework assignments and also offers supplemental materials to help learners expand on certain topics within the subject matter. Unlike in the corporate setting, e-learning is the means of communication in education. Learners are presented with the content via their courses and modules, and while they probably have outside assignments such as reports or exams, it's also possible that the entire course may be held within the e-learning platform. In the education setting, courses are most often created with the assumption that being a student is their number one priority. Therefore, courses tend to be longer and more involved. Microlearning modules are often set up for homework or as additional resources. With e-learning courses, learners aren't completely left on their own. Even in the case of distance learning, they'll have a way of communicating with their instructor to receive additional clarification or guidance. This means that while each course and module should be comprehensive, there should be room for outside discussion.